and said goodbye like all the rest. And I heard him tell the warden just before he reached my den, "Will guitar play a song to my request? Let it sing me back home the songs I used to hear, and let my old memories come around and take me away and turn back the years.
Turn back the years.
Sing me back home before I die." I recall last Sunday morning, the choir trying to sing a few old country songs. And I heard him tell the singers the song my mama sang. Then once before you move along, let him sing me back home the song I used to hear, and then my old memories come alive and take me away and turn back the years and lay me back home before I die. Sing me back home before I die.